everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day. So we have another new box to open today on our channel. It seems like March has been like the month of new boxes, which I find extra exciting. I hope you do too. I love exploring and learning more about new boxes. And I totally have had something in my eye. I can like see it right now, but I can't get it out. So if I'm blinking a lot or anything like that, that's what's going on. I was staring in the mirror forever, can't tell what it is. Probably a teeny tiny cat hair, that's usually the culprit, but just want to let you guys know in case I'm like blinking a lot or look like a big weirdo. But anyways, today we are opening something that has not only one thing I love, but two things. This is the Match Made coffee box. So this is what the box looks like. I did cover up my address just so I could show you guys the outer packaging. So it's a coffee pairing subscription. So what they pair is coffee with cookies. Like, can you think of a better combination? Yum, I love both. I've already had some coffee today. I cannot wait to try what's in here. I haven't peeked yet. I did break the seal just so I can open it easier on camera. But like all new subscriptions on this channel, I pulled up their website so I can give you all the details. So it says, coffee has finally met its match at Match Made Coffee. Each month, you'll receive a curated flight of freshly roasted international craft coffee along with a perfectly flavor paired gourmet cookies delivered to your doorstep. Oh my god, that just sounds so heavenly. It says, forget wine and cheese, indulge in or gift this unique coffee pairing experience that keeps on giving. So in each box, you get 2 complete coffee pairings. So 2 craft coffees, they are ground beans, and then you also get 2 gourmet cookies. And then they'll also give you some pairing notes. So this box costs $19.95 and free shipping in the United States. I believe it only ships in the United States. I will update you guys in the description box or comment section if I hear otherwise, but I'm pretty sure because I acted like I was checking out online and I just saw United States as an option. So this just seems awesome. Let's see what's going on with this box. So like I said, this is what it looks like. When you open it, this is what you see. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing, and this is organic and single origin Kenya Bamba AA, I think, or here, I'll show you the name on there. And this is a dark roast, and it has some tasting notes on here. It says, this sweetly delicate yet deeply fragrant and intricate roast, harvested in the heart of East Africa, boasts black currant, red clover honey, and tamarind notes. When paired alongside the complex and subtly sweet rosemary and balsamic flavors within this unique cookie, you are sure to savor every last drop. So the Match Made cookie is rosemary balsamic. That's very interesting. So that is what the entire label looks like. So I wonder, okay, no, the cookie's below it. So let me find the cookie that goes with this. Alright, so here is the pairing, the cookie. And on the back, it says it's by Cravery Cookies. It's baked in San Diego, California. It is made with rosemary, extra virgin olive oil, fresh rosemary, cracked black pepper, lemon zest, and balsamic syrup along with wheat, eggs, milk, and soy. And you can tell this is like fresh because it's still kind of soft, you know, it's not like hardened or anything like that. So I am super excited. I've never had a cookie with rosemary. I've had like rosemary cornbread, yum. Like, and I generally like the flavors, so I'm super excited to try these together. So these are ground beans, and I believe this is 2 ounces. And before I move on to the next one, I wanted to tell you guys how I make my coffee. So I have a Keurig, so I generally use K-Cups, but recently on Amazon I found something for only $8. I found a 4-pack of K-Cup reusable coffee filters, and this is what it looks like. So if you get ground coffee or just coffee beans you ground up yourself, or if you want to make less of an environmental impact with your coffee, like K-Cups do add up in the trash, unfortunately, I think this is a great idea. So this is what I am going to use with these coffees. I'm going to make one today, actually. I will definitely update you guys on my Instagram stories. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I always leave my social media links down below in the description box. So I will also link this along with the subscription box, of course, if you guys are interested in this, because only $8 and you get 4 of them, and they're reusable and you can clean them. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this and tell you how I make my coffee. I use a Keurig machine. So let's move on to the next coffee. This is also organic and single origin. And if you don't know what single origin means, that just means all the beans come from one location. A lot of coffees you get, they can be from all over, different batches. So this is like pure coffee beans, like all the same flavor. And this is the Brazil Cerrado, and this is a medium roast level. And it has similar packaging. So I will read you what the tasting notes are. It says, grown in the rich soil that natives call terra roxa or red earth, this medium roast is a favorite, made popular for its low acidity and elegant nutty and sweet profile with a distinct milk chocolate finish. Mash this coffee with the famously favorite chocolate chip cookie to allow each note shine. Okay, this sounds really good. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I heard that medium coffee roasts have the most caffeine. So we have a dark and a medium. So I don't know if that's true, but let's look at the cookie. So this looks phenomenal. This is also by Cravery Cookies, the ultimate chocolate chip. And it says it is made with original dough and is mixed in with Goutard, I could be saying it wrong, semi-sweet milk and dark chocolate chunks, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, and sea salt. This contains wheat, eggs, milk, and soy. And it, like the other cookie, you can tell it's not like super hardened or old feeling or anything like that, so it is packaged well, and I'm assuming it was prepared pretty recently. So that is everything. So there's some like little swigglies on the bottom to help protect everything during shipment. So let's just quick recap. We got 2 coffees. So I like how we got both a dark and a medium roast. So the dark roast is from Kenya, and this pairs with the rosemary balsamic cookie, which is so intriguing and interesting to me. I'll let you guys know how that is if you want to know. Again, follow me on social media. That's where I do my updates typically. And then we have the Brazil Cerrado, the medium roast with the chocolate chip cookie. So this is awesome. This is one of those boxes that I feel like would be a great gift. Like, I love coffee and I love cookies, and I know I'm not the only one. Coffee is a part of a lot of people's everyday lives, and sometimes it's hard to like find gifts for certain people. So I was thinking that like my mom loves coffee. She would definitely like this. She's like one of those like health freak people, so I don't know if she would eat the cookies, but that would be something like my brother who lives with my mom or my dad would take. So like, I might consider gifting this for Mother's Day. I don't know, but yeah, don't you guys think this would be a good gift, or is it just me? I don't know. So let's go over the pricing. I think I told you guys already, but just in case I did not touch on that yet, the pricing is $19.95 per month, and there is free shipping. So I will leave the link to the subscription along with the pricing information, all of that, and I will also leave a link to this Amazon product. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love unboxing new boxes. Let me know if you enjoyed this as well. And also, if you guys have any ideas of like new subscription boxes to try, please let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. I want to try new things. I want to show you what you guys want. So I know a lot of the things I do are like beauty or skincare or lifestyle. So I think this is like a good, thing to add in. I love coffee, so I don't know, is there anything else you guys would like to see? I'm trying to find new boxes like that are in different genres. So I do believe I have one that has tea coming, so that is one. So if you're not into coffee, I definitely have a tea subscription in the works, so hopefully that will be here within the next few weeks. I can try other food ones. I am a vegetarian, but I am willing to try other snack subscriptions. I'm trying to get into fitness. Maybe I can try some more fitness boxes. I don't know, let me know. Like, if you guys tried any new subscriptions, please let me know your recommendations. I clearly love subscription boxes, and this is what I do every day on my channel. So if you have not yet subscribed and you love unboxings, we'd love if you would join us. But anyways, thank you so much for being here with me, you guys. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.